Yo, welcome back to the Wealth Journey channel. In my previous video, I talked about a wealth concept called SIMPLE. All right, it stands for shift, increase, multiply, protect, and leverage everything, right? Today's video, I want to quickly talk to you about the letter S. It's for shift, right? And the reason why we want to shift our money back to us is because, of course, we want to have more money in our pockets to do whatever we want to do in life without having to go and get, an extra part-time job or another side gig, right? So there's 4 simple ways that we can do this, how we can shift our money back into our pockets, right? The first one, I think the most important one, is to lower your taxes. Many people don't understand that 1/3 of your money actually goes to paying taxes. That's pretty much your biggest bill expense or your biggest expense when it comes to your money. All right. The next one is to eliminate your debt. Of course, if you don't have a whole lot of debt or a whole lot of money to dish out to other companies, as far as credit cards or any other type of debt, then of course it's keeping money back into your pocket. Right. Third is lowering my bills. If you can somehow, some way lower your monthly bills that you're going to pay each and every month for whether you're whether you're in an apartment or house, just keeping money back into your pocket, right? And the last one is increasing your credit score. Many people probably don't understand this one though, but I mean, the higher your credit score is, the lower interest that you pay. So I mean, that's less money that you actually have to pay back on the money that you borrow. But anyway, those are quick 4 simple things I want to talk to you about shifting your income, and I'll see you guys on the next video.